Hello guys, how are you? I'm in Warwick Bushland Reserve and I'm doing field work. As you see, I'm wearing this net because the fly season has started and without this one I cannot do my field work. It's really annoying because the flies actually cover all your eyes around, so it's really annoying. But I want to show you something really cool that I just spotted. So, I'm looking for sun orchids for our experiments, and here I'm focusing on Telemitra macrophylla, or the blue-scented sun orchid. Look at this one. It has a very unusual color variation of the hook. Basically, the final tip at the top of the column generally is yellow. You know, it's a kind of false hunter structure, so it makes sense to be yellow because yellow has the pollen, and it may resemble pollen, so that's why it's yellow. But this one is not yellow. I'll show you. Look at. So this one is the final hook. Can you see the top of the column? Basically, the column is the reproductive, where the reproductive structures are of the orchids. We have the stigma below, and then on top, a little bit above, at the top of the stigma, there is a kind of small dot that is actually the viscidium of the pollinia. So when the pollinator lands on the flower, gets in contact with that viscidium that actually has a sticky component that allows the attachment of the pollinia to the pollinator body. But I wanted to show this at the end of, at the top of the column here, we have this structure. Can you see that is called a hook, because it's a kind of hook that generally is yellow, but here is a coral red, I would say, and it's very beautiful. I really like this color. I don't know why, but it may be just a little bit of variation that may occur in the plants of the population. I haven't seen other individuals plants with this kind of color. So they generally, the yellow color is generally quite consistent throughout the plants of in the population. And what varies more is the color of the tepals, the external petals, that in this case we call tepals in the sun orchids. And but here is something special. That's why I wanted to spot it. To spot this and show you. And then I show you another thing, another species of sun orchid that is blooming now at the moment, together along with Telemitra macrophylla. This is Telemitra gramínea. Is a very tiny plant, very delicate, small flower. Also the color of the tepals, there is a more, I would say, is a pale purple, very pale purple. So it's different to the color of the other species, the co-occurring Telemitra macrophylla. But there are just a few of these plants, very tiny flower. Look at the structure also, the reproductive structure is very small here. So I'm very glad for this encounter, new encounter of the day, and I want to celebrate this with you. See you guys.